Good morning, everyone. This video comes to you from a channel called I Know Nothing, Sioux Falls, South Dakota. I know a lot of you guys like the silent treatment videos. This is one of those videos. You guys are absolutely going to love this. He's recording a police department parking lot from the sidewalk, and two motorcycle cops pull up. One of them pulls up on the street, and the other one pulls up right on the sidewalk where he's at. He drives towards him, and it looks like he's about to run him over. Watch this video. Go subscribe to I Know Nothing, Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Let them know San Joaquin sent you. Here we go, folks. Check this out.
Can I help you? Can I help you? Is there something I can help you with? Okay. Is there something I can help you with? Is there something we can help you with? Do either one of you speak? Do you speak? You understand me? How about you? In the green. You understand, right? All right, let's go. Yep. Do you understand me? You cannot be out here videotaping cars. No. No. Do you understand me? You do. Okay. Let's go, Vern. Everywhere? Okay. Have a good day. Thank you.
Next time, don't try to run me over with your motorcycle.
I didn't say to run you over. Have a nice day.
I had a judge tell me one time that if I didn't know my rights, I didn't have any rights. Why would a judge tell me that? This is proof that the courts are not here to help the people. They're here to screw you over. If a judge knows your rights are being violated and he still convicts you, that judge is protected by absolute immunity. Same thing with district attorneys. If you're being prosecuted and the district attorney knows that your rights were violated in the process, shouldn't they be obligated to dismiss that charge? Nothing happens to the officer, you get convicted, and the justice system is broken. It's extremely important that you start recording and documenting all encounters that you have with law enforcement and or public officials, because it's your word against theirs, and the courts usually rule against you. Without proof, you have nothing. Without knowledge of the law, you don't have any rights. Thank you guys for tuning in. Go subscribe to I Know Nothing Sioux Falls, Idaho. Let them know San Joaquin sent you. I will see you guys in his comment section. If you guys have videos that you want me to review, maybe highlight on my channel, reach out to me at recordpolicenow@gmail.com. I'll take a look at your videos. You guys have yourself a blessed and safe day. Peace.